Welcome to my Vitamix Immersion Blender review. This handy tool packs a punch with its 625-watt motor, making quick work of tough ingredients. You'll love the 5-speed options and 4-prong blade, giving you total control over your blending. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, or sauces, you can achieve the perfect texture every time with this Vitamix Hand Blender. The 3-piece set comes with a whisk attachment and storage case, adding versatility to your kitchen arsenal. You can use it in any container with a 3-inch wide opening or larger, from smoothie cups to mason jars. Plus, unlike with other stick blenders, the one-handed operation makes it a breeze to use, whether you're right or left-handed. You'll love the flexibility this set offers. The whisk attachment expands your culinary possibilities, letting you whip up creamy desserts or fluffy egg whites with ease. When you're done, simply pop everything into the handy storage case to keep your kitchen clutter-free. The 4-prong blade design gives you precise control over textures, whether you're making smooth soups or chunky salsas. Also, with 5 speed settings, you can fine-tune your blending to get just the right consistency for any recipe. The powerful 625-watt motor tackles tough ingredients without breaking a sweat, so you can blend confidently. Plus, the one-handed operation is a game changer when you're juggling multiple tasks in the kitchen. At the heart of this handheld blender lies a beefy 625-watt motor. You'll be amazed at how quickly it can whip up smoothies, soups, and sauces. The powerful motor gives you the ability to blend even tough ingredients like frozen fruits and raw vegetables with ease. No more struggling with underpowered blenders that leave chunks behind. The strong motor also means this immersion blender can handle larger batches without overheating or bogging down. Whether you're cooking for one or meal prepping for the week, this Vitamix Stick Blender has the muscle to get the job done efficiently. You'll love how easy this immersion blender is to use. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, letting you blend with ease whether you're right or left-handed. And with 5 speed settings at your fingertips, you can quickly adjust the power to get the perfect texture. The 4-prong blade design helps create silky smooth results without straining your wrist. You can blend directly in your cooking pot, smoothie cup, or even a wide-mouth mason jar. Cleanup is a breeze too. This Vitamix Hand Blender really does food prep so much simpler. Now, let's take a look at the pros and cons. The 5-speed settings give you precise control over textures. The 4-prong blade design efficiently blends tough ingredients. One-handed operation makes it easy to use while cooking. Versatile attachments include a whisk and storage case. It works in any container with a 3-inch or wider opening. It's powerful enough for professional level blending tasks. As for the cons, it may be too powerful for delicate blending jobs. Some users might find it a bit pricey compared to basic models. It could be overkill for those who only need occasional blending. Reading the various Vitamix Immersion Blender reviews, you'll find a lot to love about this Vitamix Hand Blender set. Users rave about its impressive power and sturdy build, making quick work of even tough ingredients. The 4-blade design pulverizes food efficiently, saving you time in the kitchen. Many appreciate how easy it is to use and clean, with a comfortable grip and detachable parts. The versatility is a big plus. You can whip cream, blend soups, and make smoothies all with one tool. Some users even ditch their traditional blenders after trying this. While it might be overkill for softer foods, most see this as a testament to its strength. If you're into homemade mayo or raw food diets, you'll likely be thrilled with the results. The Vitamix brand's reputation for quality and customer service gives you added peace of mind. Keeping your immersion blender in top shape is a breeze. After each use, simply rinse the blending arm under running water or give it a quick wash with mild soap. For tougher residues, blend warm soapy water in a container for a few seconds. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup even easier. Store the blender and attachments in the included case to protect them from dust and damage. With proper care, you'll enjoy smooth blending for years to come. Remember to unplug the blender before cleaning and never submerge the motor unit in water. You've got a powerhouse in your hands with this Vitamix Immersion Blender set. Its robust motor and sharp blades make quick work of any blending task, from velvety soups to creamy smoothies. The versatility is a big plus, letting you whip up everything from homemade mayo to pureed veggies with ease. While it's a bit pricier than some other options, the quality and durability justify the investment. You'll appreciate how easy it is to clean and store, making it a practical addition to your kitchen arsenal. If you're serious about cooking and want a reliable tool that'll last, this Vitamix set is hard to beat.